Struggling with constant trips to the bathroom? Waking up at night just to pee? What if I told you that in just 7 days, you could reset your prostate health just by eating the right foods? No expensive supplements, no gimmicks, just a simple, natural detox to flush out toxins, reduce inflammation, and restore balance. In this video, I'll break down the best foods to eat daily, the top drinks for faster relief, and the common mistakes you need to avoid. Stick around because by the end, you'll have a complete 7-day plan to take control of your prostate health and start feeling better, fast. Alright, let's dive in. First up, almonds. These tiny but mighty nuts are packed with healthy fats, antioxidants, and minerals that help combat inflammation and support prostate function. They're rich in vitamin E, which protects cells from damage and keeps your prostate working smoothly. Almonds also contain essential fats that help balance hormones, especially testosterone and DHT, dihydrotestosterone, which can contribute to prostate enlargement. Plus, they're loaded with zinc, a crucial mineral for prostate health that many men with prostate issues are deficient in. And let's not forget fiber. Almonds help with digestion, remove toxins, and even support healthy weight management, which is key because excess body fat can throw your hormones out of whack. So, grab a handful of almonds as a snack or toss them into your morning smoothie. Next, we have the king of healthy fats, avocados. These creamy green powerhouses are loaded with monounsaturated fats that help reduce inflammation and keep hormones in check. They also contain beta-sitosterol, a plant compound known for improving urinary function and reducing prostate swelling. Avocados are packed with magnesium and potassium, two minerals that help relax muscles and improve urinary flow, making those constant bathroom trips less of a hassle. Plus, they're rich in fiber, which helps with digestion and keeps inflammation low. So, add avocado to your salad, spread it on toast, or just eat it straight with a spoon. Now, let's talk about berries. Whether it's blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, or blackberries, these little guys are antioxidant powerhouses. They're packed with vitamin C, which helps fight oxidative stress, a major contributor to prostate problems. Berries also contain anthocyanins, which give them their deep red, blue, and purple colors. These compounds have serious anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce swelling and discomfort. Plus, the fiber in berries supports gut health, which plays a huge role in hormone balance and lowering inflammation. Try tossing them into your yogurt, smoothie, or oatmeal. If you're looking for a natural way to boost your prostate health, look no further than Brazil nuts. These nuts are one of the richest sources of selenium, a mineral that fights inflammation, protects prostate cells, and supports overall immune function. Brazil nuts also contain healthy fats that help regulate testosterone and prevent excess DHT, which can contribute to prostate problems. Plus, they're loaded with zinc, another key mineral for reducing inflammation and improving urinary function. Just 2-3 Brazil nuts a day is all you need to reap the benefits. Grapes are more than just a tasty snack. They are packed with resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant with anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. Resveratrol helps lower oxidative stress, protects prostate cells, and supports better blood circulation, ensuring your prostate gets the nutrients it needs to stay healthy. Grapes also contain vitamin C to boost your immune system, fiber to aid digestion, and natural flavonoids that help relax blood vessels, improving overall circulation. Eat them fresh, throw them in a salad, or blend them into a refreshing juice. Last but definitely not least, spinach. This leafy green is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that help reduce inflammation and keep your prostate in top shape. One of its superstar nutrients, zinc. This mineral is essential for hormone regulation and preventing excess DHT production. Plus, spinach is rich in magnesium, which helps relax muscles in the urinary tract, making bathroom trips easier. And let's not forget folate. a B vitamin that promotes healthy cell repair and fights inflammation. Whether you eat it in a salad, blend it into a smoothie, or saute it with some garlic, adding spinach to your meals is a game changer for prostate health. There you have it, a 7-day prostate reset plan that's all natural, simple, and effective. By adding these powerful foods to your daily routine, you'll be giving your body the nutrients it needs to reduce inflammation, balance hormones, and improve urinary function. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. And if you've tried any of these foods before, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.